Minutes of last month's Charleville Town meeting. Mayor Murphy tabled a controversial motion that the Charleville cheese toastie would henceforth be crustless in order to weight the bread to cheese ratio more firmly in favour of bubbly, delicious Charleville cheese. There was a terrible ruckus, with townspeople Anne Curran-Cobb and Jeff Daniels, not the film star, threatening to walk out. Mrs Curran-Cobb said, "If the crust goes, I go." Mr Daniels said, "Without a raised edge, what's to stop the hot melty cheese spilling out over the sides? This is madness, madness I tell you." Pigeon fancier Bridie McGovern was strongly in favour of the motion, but was judged to be biased since her pigeons would be the recipients of the buttery, cheesy excess crusts. Local conspiracy theorist James Kinnavan suggested the mayor was in league with big business and/or had developed a crustless bread making technique which would yield him literally hundreds of euros should the motion pass. Just as it was all about to kick off, the mouth-watering aroma of melting, toasting Charleville cheese wafted through the hall and everyone got a bit peckish and went home. Meeting adjourned.
Charleville, Ireland's favourite cheese.